Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to be tiny in Roblox avatar. First, open the avatar editor and prepare to customize your character. We'll explore both free and paid options to achieve the smallest possible size. You'll learn which bundles and accessories are most effective. Get ready to transform your avatar into a miniature marvel, standing out in any game with your new, compact appearance. To start, consider using the Jelly Noob bundle as your base. This bundle provides a naturally small and compact body shape. Next, equip the Mini Plushie accessory, which significantly reduces your overall size. Remember to set all your body parts, like arms and legs, to their smallest possible scale in the avatar editor. These items are crucial for achieving that truly tiny look. Now, let's fine-tune your avatar's dimensions. Head to the body section within the avatar editor. Here, you'll find sliders for height and width. Drag both of these sliders all the way to their minimum settings to shrink your character. Don't forget to also reduce your head size for a perfectly proportionate, tiny profile. These adjustments are key to achieving maximum smallness. To complete your tiny avatar, experiment with small hats and accessories that don't add bulk. Look for animations that make your character appear even more diminutive, like a subtle walk or idle pose. These final touches truly enhance the illusion of smallness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making cleaning effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.